Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Expedition, 2007 to 2014? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2007 and 2008 Ford Expedition controls power to key interior components such as the infotainment system, power outlets, and lighting. It houses fuses and relays that protect and regulate multiple cabin electrical circuits. The design supports efficient troubleshooting and maintenance. It helps ensure stable operation of essential driver and passenger features. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2009 to 2014 Ford Expedition manages electrical power for interior features like the audio system, power mirrors, climate controls, and smart charging. It includes a combination of mini fuses and relays for efficient circuit protection. The system supports quick identification of faults through labeled fuse assignments. It ensures safe and consistent operation of essential cabin electronics. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2007 and 2008 Ford Expedition distributes power to critical engine and drivetrain systems, including the fuel pump, ignition coils, and cooling fans. It contains high-amperage fuses and relays for protecting vital underhood components. The box is designed for reliability under high-temperature conditions. It supports system diagnostics and helps maintain overall vehicle performance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2009 Ford Expedition supplies and protects circuits for key engine and powertrain components, such as the PCM, fuel system, and emission controls. It includes high current fuses and relays for efficient handling of demanding electrical loads. The layout aids in quick diagnostics and fuse replacement. It ensures reliable operation of critical vehicle systems. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2010 to 2014 Ford Expedition manages power distribution to essential systems like the engine control module, ABS, cooling fans, and transmission. It contains high-capacity fuses and relays designed for durability and performance under demanding conditions. The configuration supports efficient diagnostics and component protection. It plays a vital role in maintaining the vehicle's overall electrical integrity. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.